Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how to switch from Google Earth to Street View really quickly, accessing via Google Earth, for example. So let us get started. Head over to Google Earth, accessed for example via Google Chrome, log into your account and navigate to the area you would like to investigate further through Street View. So let us go, for example, let us navigate to, let's say, a very remote area in Alaska. And what you want to do after that, guys, is zoom in as close as possible to the given location. So let us go, for example, with that location here. And to access Street View, guys, you will need to click on the given location or street for this reason. So let us go with that location here. And after that, simply click on View here in the top left and enable the Street View by clicking on Show Street View here or by using the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-V. And that is going to give you an overview of accessible roads or streets, as you can see. So simply click on the one you would like to access, and that is going to take you directly to the street view of the given location, as you can see. So you can navigate through the map, as you can see. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.